So, we are back in the Secret Cellar moped layer, and tonight just a little bit of fooling around. What we're going to do is we're going to show off a nice substitute for a torque wrench, and that's a lovely little $6 contraption here. It's a digital scale, and basically it's a digital scale. There's a torque wrench. You want to tighten up this fastener. So first I'm going to start with just an open-end wrench, because we can turn that into a torque wrench. You need to take out your measure and measure the distance from the center of the eye, the combination wrench, to where you're going to hook onto it, and I'm going to hook onto the end there. So that's from the center to there is 4 inches. So it's a factor of 3. So whatever you pull, you have to divide by 3. So I'm going to go for 7 foot-pounds, which is a good torque for head nuts, and you just pull like that until you hit 21. There you have it. Or if you're very careful, because the end might slip off, you could even grab it this way around if you don't have room to get her over. And again, just give her a good yank. It'll be the same reading, which is 21. And there we go. And same with this. Got a socket. And if you want to use your ratchet on there, that's fine too. Grab the ratchet down here. I already measured it before. Whoops, upside down there. There we go. And I measured it before, and it's half a foot, 6 inches. So supposed to be a higher factor. And you just pull to yield, and there you go. And that's how you use one of these cheapy little guys to work. It's a nice digital torque wrench. And the other thing that's nice about these guys is, if you ever doubt the reading that's on there, what you can do, pick up a 10-pound bag of flour, or a 5-pound bag of sugar, something with the weight marked on it, and see how close the calibration is. If it's close enough, you're good to go. It's a heck of a lot better than working by feel, because it's never very accurate. I know it's only mopeds, but it's still never very accurate. Depends if you want to be at the side of the road, if you want to be on the road.